In this video, I will show you how to change the default font in both Outlook Classic and New Outlook. In Classic Outlook, go over to File and then click on Options at the bottom. From the next screen, click on Mail, and from the middle, click Stationery and Fonts. Here you set the defaults for new mail messages or for reply and forwards. Click Font, choose whatever type and size. I'm going to set Algerian size 18. And click OK on all the open windows. Now, when I start a new email, you see Algerian 18 as the default. Now in the new Outlook app, you'll click on the gear icon from the top. Go to Mail, then Compose and Reply, and set the font size. I'll do Arial Narrow and 16, and click Save. Now I'll create a new message, and you see on the toolbar, it's Arial Narrow 16. That's all for this video. Hope it helped. Thanks for watching.